I get this question a lot, so I thought I would cover it in today's episode. How to handle objections to your opportunity. Stay with me. We're going to cover that for you today. Okay, welcome back. Thank you for listening or watching if you're watching this on YouTube. So I get this question a lot. How to handle objections to your network marketing business. So here are the specific 4 questions that I get and that we're going to be covering in today's episode. How quickly will I make money? Is this a pyramid scheme? Is there a free membership or a free way to join? Do you have a system so that I don't have to talk to people? That's the 4 questions that we're going to discuss today. And stay with me till the end because I have a surprise for you that really one thing is going to answer all of these questions for you. So, okay, the first one is how quickly will I make money? Well, then you need to ask them how quickly they would like to make money if you allow them to join your team. Remember, they're asking you to join your team. You're not asking them. At least with my system, that's how I do it. So you've got to make sure that, okay, I would ask them, are you willing to take the course that I have created for you? If you're willing to take the course and you're willing to take the actions that I tell you to take in the course, then it's very possible you can make a nice living doing this. There's no guarantees, and I can't, guarantee that because I don't know your work ethic. I don't know your style. I don't know if you're going to follow exactly what I'm saying. So I can't guarantee that you are definitely going to make money, right? There's no guarantees in life. But I do know that I can guarantee you I offer something that no other team offers. I do have a strategy and a system in place, and I give that to you when you join my team. And all you got to do is take the course and follow what I'm telling you. But you'd be crazy to guarantee. You can't guarantee somebody else that they will make money. And really, that's a red flag for me. If someone's asking that, it usually means that they're wanting it done for them and they're wanting to make money on day one. Doesn't happen that way. This is not get rich quick scheme. Okay, question number 2. Is this a pyramid scheme? I know we all have to deal with this. Well, ask them what is their definition of a pyramid scheme. And usually most people say, well, you're getting paid to recruit people and only the top earners make money. Then no, this is definitely not a pyramid scheme because you don't even have to recruit anybody. You can make money. A lot of people are doing it, making money just selling the products. You don't have to bring other people on. It's crazy if you don't because you get to make a whole lot more money a lot faster if you bring people on and you teach them how to do this. Then you're making a percentage off of what they're doing. So you're getting paid as an instructor to them. So you're coaching them, you're teaching them duplication, teaching them your system, so you should get rewarded for that. So it is smart to bring people on, but no, this is not a pyramid scheme. You don't have to recruit anybody. If you stay with me to the end, I'm going to show you how you will never have to have this conversation again. That's a good tease. I know you're going to stay now. Okay, question number 3. Is there a free way to join? Is there a free membership? Well, again, that kind of throws up a red flag for me. It makes me think that they have no confidence in themselves, their ability to do this, and they're wanting it done for them. If you're not willing to put up, for me and my team, I think it's $75 right now. So under $100, you can join my team and have the ability to make, endless amounts of money. I mean, I'm making more than I ever dreamed or ever imagined I could make. And I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I don't have to report to work at a certain time every day. I have freedom. I'm living life on my terms. I get to set my own schedule. And the only way to be able to do this is if you get in the game. So the free version is you sitting on the sidelines and watching all of us live the life of our dreams and having our time freedom and freedom from debt. So yeah, there is a free version. You just continue being a spectator and continue not chasing down your dreams. And yeah, it's free. But the reward is much, much less also. So question 4, do you have a system so I don't have to talk to other people? Well, if you join my team, you can gladly say, yes, I do. You don't have to talk to people. My system is set up so that 95% of the people go right through and join automatically. I don't have to have a conversation with them. They don't have to have a conversation with me. They go through the system that I have set up. It's automated and online. And I'm not talking just posting on Facebook and Instagram. I'm talking a true automated system that is set up. And that's why I call it the MLM marketing machine, because the machine is bringing in your leads. And I also teach you how to close those leads. And again, it's automated. You don't have to have the conversations. I teach you how to send follow-up emails and give them extra content and extra value. And I teach you to produce, to produce content online. Either go Facebook Live or do a podcast of your own, do a YouTube channel, start a blog, whatever you can do to help people and to get your name out there and to position yourself as an expert. That's what you need to do. So again, you never have to have the conversation, is this a pyramid scheme, again, because you're not talking to those people. You're not going out and saying, hey, would you like to join my team? You're not calling people out of the blue and doing those telemarketer calls and saying, hey, are you looking for an opportunity? No, they come to you. You produce content, you put it out there, you teach people how you're doing what you're doing. Like this, I am teaching you how to handle objections in network marketing. If this is something that resonates with you and you like the way I'm teaching it, then you're going to check out more content that I produce. And if you like that as well, then you're going to be more likely to join my team. And then you're going to ask me, okay, how can I join your team? That's how you get people to ask you to join their team. And then if you're having a conversation with these people, if you do have to pick up the phone and talk to people, you never have to have this conversation, is it a pyramid scheme, because you've already weeded all those people out. All the people that think this is a scam and this is illegal, how it can be illegal when everybody's online doing it. Do you not think the government would shut us down immediately? Do you not think there'd be massive raids and all of us would be in jail if this was illegal? So anyway, but you never have to have that conversation again. You never have to talk to people that are uninterested, because only the people that click on your information, click to get your free ebook, click to hear your video, listen to your podcast, because you're talking about network marketing. So only the people that are listening to that are truly interested in your business and your opportunity. So you don't have to ask them if they're interested. You know they are. You don't have to have the pyramid scheme conversation. You know that they know it's not, or they would not be following up and asking about it. And about the free membership question, as soon as you get your first customer, it more than covers your $75 fee to get in the first place. And actually, my company gives you free products for joining. So really, you've got a value. I think they give you like $100 or more in value for the $75 membership fee that you pay to join. So it is free. If you look at it like that, yes, your membership is free. And you don't have to, with my company, you don't have to stockpile all your products, because our company mails it out to them. They order online and the company has a warehouse and they distribute it themselves. We don't have to deal with any of that. So hopefully that's helped you see how easy it is to deal with objections. And really, if you follow my MLM marketing machine strategy, you don't have to deal with objections, because your system has already dealt with it. You've already covered all that. The people that you're talking to maybe have just one or two questions about, okay, I'm not sure I understand how your system's going to work for me. Can you walk through that with me? That type of question, instead of all these other bogus questions that you have to educate people on. So I hope you got value out of this episode today. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you like this and if this has helped you deal with objections. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.